guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be transforming myself from this to this. Are you guys excited? So tomorrow you'll see the final transformation, but today I'm gonna do all the stuff that I will do to change this. I mean, I can't change this, but I'm gonna beautify myself. I think today is gonna be a whole day of pampering. I have a lot of things that I want to do. First, I'm gonna start with my hair, because my hair is a mess right now. Very dry and uneven color. So I tried balayage for a couple of days. My hair looks amazing, but you know, for a girl that doesn't know how to take care of herself, I'm sorry, you'll end up with this hair. I am so excited to fix this. I don't know if I can really fix this, but I'll try. I will dye my hair black, and then I will put a hair mask on. I hope it will change my hair. And then I'm gonna do face mask, moisturizing face mask. No, face moisturizing mask? Oh my god, I need some help. Moisturizing face mask. I think that's it. So I'm gonna do that. It's been a while since I've done it, so yeah, I'm so excited to do that. And I will paint my nails. I don't have a lot of nail polish option, but guys, it's gonna be really cute. And then I will shave my legs. Guys, it's been a hot minute since I shaved my legs. Believe me, today my legs looks like a forest. I don't know if it's the most accurate way to describe it, but yeah, it's a mess. My life is a mess right now, but you know what? I have all the time in the world right now, so why not transform myself, beautify myself for a change, right? Because I know you guys have seen most of my videos. I don't really look good. I don't know. I don't try to look good because I'm just really lazy. I don't even put makeup on to go to work. Oh my god, I know. I'm a mess. So this is gonna be exciting because I'm gonna be transforming myself, and tomorrow again is the final transformation. You will see if I can really beautify this face to actually glow up. Okay, let's start. Let's begin.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Alright, so we're gonna start with dyeing my hair. I don't know where to begin. I'm really nervous right now. Anyway, let's follow the instruction. Let me just change. That's great, huh? Shake it. 25 minutes. I just started applying the hair color on my hair when I noticed that the hair color is staining my skin. Oh, okay. I think I should wear a plastic bag. Okay guys, so I'm gonna look stupid. I wanna put this on, okay? So don't judge me. I need to protect my skin. I know I don't have the perfect skin, but I still need to protect it. Oh my god, this is a mistake. What am I doing? Oh god. It's actually easier than I expected. It only took me 10 minutes in total to apply the entire bottle onto my hair. Guys, I just finished dyeing my hair. I look like a walking garbage. And I made a huge mess. Now it's time to put on the face mask. I don't know if the face mask is too small or too big for me, but this is a struggle. Let's count how many times this guy will pass by without looking in the camera. 0. Nice one, John. While waiting for my skin to absorb the moisturizer from the face mask, I decided to call my sister. Just like me, this girl is always bored now. After washing off the face mask, it's time to retire for the evening. I need some beauty sleep, guys. It is the most important part of this transformation process. Good night! Day 2 of the transformation process, I'll start with moisturizing my hair. Then I'm gonna try to shape my eyebrows. I don't really like touching my eyebrows because I'm too nervous I'm gonna mess it up so hard and I will regret it. Well, guess what? It happened, like what I expected. I gave my left eyebrows a bald spot, so I am not doing this again. These are my newly shaved legs that will only last for a week if not for 5 days. Remember when I said that I don't have a lot of nail polish selection? Well, I don't have a lot because I only have one. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like styling my hair. It takes me forever to straighten it because of my long, thick hair. Look how smooth my hair looks now. But we're not done yet. Let's hide the imperfections, all the red marks, the acne scars, and all unwanted marks on my face. I'm gonna attempt to shape my eyebrows and fix what I messed up earlier. I should have just left them alone. I don't like putting mascara on, but I like curling my lashes. Also, I decided to use a lip gloss to add to the total effortless look. And finally, the most dramatic transformation. This is my final transformation. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I know it's not a huge difference, but I enjoy the process and I really like the result. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this is worth it. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.